Hey guys, today I will show you how to spectate in Dota 2. Spectating lets you watch high-level matches, learn hero mechanics, and study decision making. First, open Dota 2. Click Watch from the main menu. You can either choose to watch live games or tournaments. Click any match and select Watch Game to start spectating. You can switch camera modes, player perspectives, and enable free camera while watching. Quick tip: spectating high-ranked players is a great way to learn heroes, watch item timings, and positioning. And that's how to spectate in Dota 2.
Someone better
Thank you
help
so
find
much for
my
watching.
car.